This model's a couple years old and the blade's on the wrong side for me. I came up on the corded Makitas, the sidewinders, and I just can't get used to a left-handed blade. I'm sure those of you that use worm drives, it's totally natural, but it's just not for me. A year later, they came out with the right blade one, and it's a slightly better quality tool, but I just like it so much better because of the right hand blade. All that said, they're pretty unrefined tools. I mean, it's really clunky, it's fairly heavy, and now they make these.